channel. So I've decided to take a little turn and just add something else in my channel that's teaching Igbo to people who don't live in Nigeria, or people who don't live in the East, or people who live in Nigeria but still cannot speak Igbo because they didn't have the chance to learn while growing up. So that's what I'll be doing, and this will be the first lesson ever. So it will be a lesson of the alphabets, and it will focus more on the pronunciation, which is why I'm making this video, so that later when I teach you some words, you will know how to pronounce them, not just how to spell or things like that. So I hope this helps. This video will help me to know if to make more lessons for you guys, because I'm a teacher, I love teaching. So if I can help on YouTube, I'll be happy. Okay? Alright, so leave a comment below if you need more, and how many likes I get will tell me if I should make more or not. Okay, let's start. Good. Yes. Okay, so you open your mouth, don't be shy, just B. So it's just the way you pronounce the B. B, like a B, okay? B, you see my mouth? Chi, okay? It's like you're smiling, a fake smile. Chi, all right? So when you say cheese, chi, D, okay? Just like the B, but the D. So D, A, okay? You don't open your mouth so wide, just A, okay? Right. So it's just like the A in alphabet, in the English alphabet. A, fee. So when you're paying your school fees, fee. Good. Okay, so that's the G in get. We. This is a bit hard. Just try to listen repeatedly and try to pronounce repeatedly. We. Okay. Try to get some air in your mouth. So we, and then release it to the side. We. Okay. All right. Li. Okay, this is like an I, E, but there's a way you twist your mouth and lower, just release, relax this lower part of your mouth, okay? Re. Try, come on. All right. Re. All right, so it's re, and when you're pronouncing in fast utterance, because I'm trying to teach, I will make it slower. So re. Okay. Gui. So when you say guacamole, gui. Okay, so that's it. Gui. He. Okay. He. Pronounce it. The more you practice, the more you get used to saying these things, okay? So he, that's like he, she, okay? He, E. So it's just like an E. Good. E. Okay, this sounds a bit funny, but E. So we have E. That's it, that's the sound. When you're trying to say ink, okay? Ink. E. All right? G. That's the G, okay? G sound. Key. So when you're trying to say key, have you got my keys? You say key. All right? We. So almost like the we. So okay, and a P. We. Make sure your lips are touching. We. Okay, good. Qui. When you try to pronounce queen, the Queen of England. Good. Li. when your name is Lee, you know, it's like Bruce Lee. It's easier to understand this with these annotations. So Lee, Lee, me, me. Okay, good. So when you say me, but it's not exactly me, it's more like me. All right, so try it. Me. Good. Okay. Ni. Ni. Okay. Ni. Ni. So there's a difference. Ni and ni is nasalized sound. So try to use the inner part of your nose, if that makes sense, to pronounce it. Ni. 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 That's a bit tricky, so practice it more to get used to it. Wing. Wing. Like wine, but it's nasalized. Wing, ni, ni, o, okay, p. This is easy, right? P. Good. Okay. Re, like Rihanna. Re, okay, so re, see, so it's the S. See, like see, I can see you. See, she, like she, okay. She, tea, would you like a cup of tea? Tea, okay. Ooh. Ooh, good, okay. Ooh, yeah. Oh, okay, so ooh, all right. Ooh, okay. So when you try to say or, you can just make it a bit high pitched. Ooh, I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, we, so it's like we are coming. We, yeah, okay, yeah, good. So yeah, sure. Yeah, Z, okay, Z World, if you watch Z World, Z, okay. Good job, well done. Okay, I really hope that helped you. Remember, practice is key. The more you practice, the more you retain, okay? So please, even if it's one day in a week that you have, or I don't know, 2 hours a week, maybe 2 different days, try so much to practice these things. But if you think it's so easy for you, then that's okay, that's lovely. That means you're one step ahead, okay? So I will make sure to give you the next lesson based on the feedback I get on this, because I'm pretty busy at work, at the university, and everything else I have going on. But please, I love teaching, it gives me joy. So make sure you let me know if you want this, all right? So if you want to know the next class, it's just up there. All you have to do is click on it and it will take you straight to the next lesson, all right? Bye guys, see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. That way you can get my message anytime that I upload. You'll get an email. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's free, so you don't have to worry. It's free lessons. Yeah. All right guys, so see you in the comment box and see you next lesson. Bye.